We work very hard to provide you with the best cost estimate for your freelance project, but sometimes changes became necessary. You may want to adjust the duration of a single milestone or even to take a day off due to personal circumstances, for example, of your own birthday. With Abracadabra, we give you the flexibility you require to do that. Let me show you how. Let's take that example on the screen. Due to difficulty of the project, one day for project initiation might be too less. You press on the number, adjust the value to the number you would like to have for that specific milestone, and press to the side. We change immediately the milestone you adjust on the Gantt chart and adjust all following milestone depends on the change you did. You updated the first milestone to the value you would like to have. But there is one thing you would like to do. Take a day off due to the personal circumstances, your birthday. To set up a free day in your project plan, you open the Gantt chart, select the day you would like to take off and choose 0% of working time on that specific day. As you see, we update immediately timeline based on your entrance and adjust every single milestone after that so that you always have updated view on your project.